Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. With a closed adiabatic system, it changes its velocity from rest to 31 meters per second. Find the change in specific energy, and we want it in kilojoules per kilogram. So we can skip the free body diagram. It's not applicable in this case. List all the given values and find the unknown. So they give us the velocity at 31 meters per second. And we want to find the specific kinetic energy in this case. Step 3, find the formula for energy. In this case, it's specific kinetic energy. So it's little ke. And that is final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared divided by 2. Step 4, plug and play. So 31 meters per second squared minus 0 meters per second squared divided by 2. Then multiply by your conversion factor. You'll get 0.4805 kilojoules per kilogram for your specific kinetic energy. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. Also, disclaimers that the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Okay, so to save this video, just use snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once it's open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.